Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both hardware and environment. Open the case and verify charge levels because low battery interrupts pairing. Make sure your phone or device has Bluetooth enabled and is within 1-2 meters. Once done, inspect the ear tips and wipe away wax or lint. A clean seal improves fit and sound. Now, flip the case lid. This triggers pairing lights. Pay attention to on-screen prompts so you can proceed without delay. This reduces connection errors and speeds the process. Next, focus on fit and acoustic seal because comfort and noise cancellation depend on it. Choose the ear tip that gives a snug seal, try small, medium, large, and use the ear tip fit test or play a short track to compare bass. Insert each AirPod with the stem pointing down, then twist gently toward your head to lock it into the concha. Once the seal feels secure, check stability by nodding. If they shift, swap tips or adjust angle until movement stops. Finish by confirming connection and personalizing controls, because that ensures predictable behavior. Check that your device displays AirPods Pro as connected, then make a test call and listen for crisp vocals and stable mic pickup. If you want different gestures or noise modes, change them in Bluetooth settings so double press or squeeze behaves how you prefer. If sound cuts out or pairing fails, reset the case. Hold the back button for about 15 seconds, then repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.